Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna dive into principal app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The principal app makes managing your retirement investment and insurance super convenient. You can check your 401k or other retirement account balance, adjust contribution, rollover fund, and view your insurance like dental or vision benefit. It also comes with educational tools, a retirement wellness call, and a secure login options like facial recognition or fingerprint. That said, many users report technical frustration like slow loading, bugs, and clunky two-factor authentication. Customer service reviews are mixed, and some say support for rollover or transfer is frustratingly slow. And in my opinion, if you have a retirement account or benefit with principal, and the app is absolutely worth using to stay on top of your finance. But if you are expecting flawless mobile performance or advanced investing tools, be prepared for a few bumps. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.